Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka Jngoh kam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nagabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Umitro ba kazalaw Conrad kongkal sangma haka khat khandai trik ujumang aja apsan urale Jngoh ya ka Shillong Government College of Engineering hadien balayo ya ka jingmenjur na ka All India Council for Technical Education ban pinsdang no ya ki undergraduate courses haka Civil Engineering but Electrical Engineering na ka bantau sinem puli araja apusan araja apun riu Rengkat gajing senran lang juki ofisa nagatanat puli puthi bat ka Shillong Polytechnic College. Umenti rang ba lale Jngoh pan sai ka building jong ka Engineering College bat shong jinga lang ru bat kinong hikai jong ka college pan sngau thu khambha ye ki jingdon kam jong ka college. Ka Shillong Government College of Engineering kadika Government Engineering College ka baningkong e hagzilla but ya ka letter of approval la aisho principal secretary jong ka tanat puli puthi haka lai photrik uyayong arza apusan. Kini ka Shillong puli ka badan ha ka Kynton Massar East Khasi Hills District ka day ka bala penyaso ru ber ka school ba North Eastern Hill University.
So we are here in the Shillong Engineering College premises, and we have come to see the overall infrastructure set up. And as you all know, that the All India Council for Technical Education has approved the college and at least for certain courses that we can start now. And with this approval from the AICTE, we'll be able to start the academic year from this year itself. So sometime around August, post-August 15th, the classes will start. And therefore I have just come to see whether the arrangements are sufficient and whether anything needs to be done to ensure that the classes can start smoothly. And that is my purpose of my visit, and I'm very happy that the department has worked very hard, number one, to get this approval, and number two, they have also made necessary arrangements so that classes will be able to start. This is a very important phase and a step for us from the education point of view, and we've been waiting for this very long, and I'm very happy that finally the Shillong Engineering College will start and classes will resume from this academic year.